Hi, I'm Steve from Yokogawa Support. Welcome to another Quantum training video. Once LDX has been correctly configured and the tags registered, the LIMS data should begin to be processed. If this does not happen, then troubleshooting may be required. The first check is to make sure the LDX job is running. Open Task Scheduler and click on the LDX task. Right-click the task to look at the properties. If the job history is disabled, you can enable it from the Actions pane. With the job history enabled, you can see whether the task has run and its status. Once you've confirmed that the LDX job is running correctly, you can close the task scheduler. To check the status of the various tables in the QLIMS database, first open SQL Server Management Studio. The first check is to ensure that the LIMS config table has been configured correctly. You can open the table by right-clicking and choosing Select Top 10,000 Rows. You need to ensure that the max date reviewed has been set to a date earlier than the first data to be processed. As data gets processed, this date will be automatically updated. Next, check that the LIMS lookup table has been configured with the mapping from LIMS tag to Quantum tag. If errors have occurred during processing, they will appear in the LIMS log table. Configuration of the LIMS log table is described in the manual. Finally, the LIMS results table stores all rows which have been processed. The status code, QStatus, shows how the processing has occurred. QStatus codes are described in the manual.